see you smile beneath the city lights. You chase my fears away in summer nights. We dance until the world just fades away. With you I'm young again, I want to stay. Your heart is calling me like a secret song. Is your place, I know where I belong. The time stood still wherever you are near. You turn the shadows into something clear. Stay forever young, don't let the moment die. Hold me through the night, under endless skies. Stay forever young, let our hearts be free. Love will never fade, you and me. You're my secret melody. You're the spark that set me free. Stay with me for all of time. Well, you know, pluckers, I saw Fingers Back with you again for a bit of fun. Okay, don't take this one too seriously. This is a song I've come across on YouTube. I believe this is an AI generated dance track. It's called Stay Forever Young, and but it reminds me a lot of I Will Survive by Gloria Gaynor in many ways. It's got that same sort of feel to it, but it's got some nice chord sequences in it and some nice little bits you can put into it, so I thought it'd be worth having a go at. Okay, so there you have it, a slightly abridged version. I kept it a little bit shorter than the real thing, but it's got all the bits in it, the verses, the intro and the bridge section. Okay, so hopefully if you enjoyed that, if enough people like it, I'll break it down for you, but it's just a bit of fun for now. Okay, thanks for watching, bye for now.